Yo, what's going on YouTube? We got that trade recap for today. I know I haven't been doing these trade recaps. I know I haven't been doing these trade recaps, but we're back in them. We're back in them. It's time to start getting into motion. So, all right, let me slow down. Okay, so today on US30 we had two levels, right? We had one here and one here. Why did we have these levels, guys? You might ask, Zach, why would you put that there? Zach, why would you trade off that? I'll tell you guys. A level is a form of resistance for a breakout. And in order to find these spots of resistance, you want to look and see where price taps the most, right? So price is tapping in this area a lot, like it's coming down, hitting it, and then reversing or moving the other way. So that's why I have these two levels, and I pretty much work off my levels, right? So 8:30 market open. That's why I had this thing marked out 8:30. 8:50 is the macro. If you guys don't know, macros when the time of it's pretty much the candles are supposed to move and make their biggest moves in the macro. So and that starts at 8:50. 8:50. It's pretty much what happened here. 5 minute, we came up, swept liquidity, didn't go. If we went higher and took out this liquidity and just didn't mind it and wanted to fill in the CME gap, I was okay with taking these longs. That's why I have this long set up here. But since we came up, swept this liquidity right here, and then came down on this 5 minute close, I was pretty confident we were gonna go down. I knew we were gonna get shorts today, and then I went scaled down on the 1 minute. I used to do 1 minute retracements. I said that in other trade recap videos, but I haven't been doing those lately. Like, it's not that I haven't been doing those. I've changed up my strategy a little bit. It's not fully changed up. It's just modified for me personally. So, yeah. So it came down. Macro candle hits. We get our entry. Comes down. Closes here, and then boom, boom. Once we hit 1.4 RR, so right here I was break even, so my stop loss was at break even, so I couldn't lose money at this point. And then just drag down to 2 RR, hit that. I could have. I was thinking about this too. Like I didn't actually do it because it's Monday. You obviously don't like take long RR trades on Monday because you don't know how price has been that week. But now I know I definitely can this week. But 5.2 RR just to this low completely smacked it. It even went down to like 8 RR, but yeah, 5.2 RR, pretty crazy. Could have taken that. Um, yeah, so because that was our first like major draw on liquidity, and then yeah, so I didn't take these longs because liquidity was up here resting, and we didn't take this liquidity and we didn't react off it. So, but if we would have just pushed up and closed above it and wanted to go higher, then I would have been fine taking into the CME gap. So yeah, it's the trade for today. It's really all there was to it. I'm gonna start posting these pretty frequently, depending on like my schedule and pretty much if I get a trade or not. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Stay safe out there. Peace.